Carney is presenting the new £5 bill, right? So usually in these opportunities, he'll not take the opportunity to speak about monetary policy. So, and he already said what he had to say, basically against Brexit. I mean, Brexit has its risks. The next opinion poll, I don't know when it'll come out. That'll be the biggest market mover. YouGov, Survation, Ipsos Mori, ICM, ORB, all the new names I've learned in the past 2 weeks, they will continue dominating the scene until D-Day referendum day on June 23rd regarding Carney. Yeah, for me, it'll be more interesting to see what happens with the Canadian dollar, because OPEC, I've seen a headline running during Draghi's press conference that they have not reached a decision on supply limits, no big surprise, and we have crude oil inventory, so I think dollar CAD has a better chance of moving today. I mean, we'll have more news to trade on than the euro after this frustrating Draghi show, and the pound, because I think Carney will be a non-event.
Yeah. The dollar CAD is, well, just test 1 week high and 131.40. Do you expect further highs on that? What is the levels to watch?
Yeah, my tendency is that we'll have higher dollar CAD because I think we'll see a build-up in inventories, more oil in the markets, perhaps also a drop in, rise in U.S. production, and with this OPEC meeting, sort of I see darker clouds against oil and against the Canadian dollar, so I would say 131.70, which used to be a previous line, 132.20, and then 133.10 is a really serious level, but Valeria, I'm sure, has other levels as well. So.
Yes, I think so. Valeria wanted to say something.
No, not much on the dollar CAD, but I do see it rising, particularly because oil is plummeting. Let's see how crude inventories come in a few in the U.S., and that could determine the day, but actually no.
Okay, just move to Northern Peru with you, Yohay. What are your expectations and how traders can pay attention to Northern Peru?
Well, sorry?
Yeah, go ahead, sorry.
As Valeria said, wages, as I said earlier, I think if we have a rise from 2.5, and it would be better to have above 2.7, which was the sort of cycle top, it'll be really good news for the US dollar. Wages back to 2.3 or below, bad news. Regarding the NFP, it'll be very confusing because of that Verizon strike, so I would say that, consensus is 160, but I think if we'll have 200,000, it'll be good news, because it'll be, well, more than expected and sort of defying the strike. If it'll be up to 120, I think it will not be an issue. Under 120,000, I think it'll be a bit more worrying. But again, anything between 120 and 200 leaves, I think, the full stage for wages. Yeah.
Now moving beyond the weeks, what do you expect on Federal Reserve? Do you expect, this is for you, Yohay, and for Valeria, do you expect guys interest rate hike in 2 weeks?
No.
No.
Okay, so my next question will be like, if this is already priced in the currency. So if you don't expect a interest rate hike, it should be a higher euro dollar, down dollar against its major competitors.
Dollar down, but not much of a euro up.
Okay.
Yep, agreed.
Okay, so guys, we expect a Northern Peru in line of expectation, a non-hike in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Am I right? Okay.